In this video, I'm going to show you how to bold text in LibreOffice Writer in just a few simple steps. This is one of the most useful formatting tools you'll use when working on documents, whether you're writing a report, an essay, a letter, or any other type of file. Bold text helps you emphasize important words, create clear headings, and make your document easier to read. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy LibreOffice tips and tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice opens, you can either create a brand new Writer document or open an existing document that you already have saved. If you're just learning, starting with a blank document is a great way to practice. After your document is open, look for the text you want to make bold. Before you can apply bold formatting, you need to select the text first. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the word, sentence, or paragraph you want to highlight. Once the text is selected, you have two easy ways to make it bold. The first method is to click the bold button in the top toolbar. This is usually represented by a capital B icon, and it instantly changes the selected text to bold. The second method is to use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl B on Windows, or the equivalent bold shortcut on your system. This is often the fastest option once you get used to it. As soon as you press the button or use the shortcut, the selected text will appear bold right away. If you want to stop bold formatting and continue typing normally, simply click the bold button again or press the shortcut once more before typing new text. You can also bold multiple sections in the same document by repeating the process as many times as you need. This is especially helpful when formatting titles, subtitles, or important points in your document. If you accidentally bold the wrong text, just select it again and turn bold off the same way. It's a very simple toggle, so you can easily turn it on and off whenever needed. Once you understand this basic process, you can use it throughout LibreOffice Writer to make your documents look cleaner and more professional. And that's it. You now know how to bold text in LibreOffice Writer using either the toolbar or the keyboard shortcut. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next LibreOffice tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.